Unit 10, Target 5. I can determine if a scatter plot or situation has a positive, negative, or no correlation. When I talk about correlation, I'm just talking about how the points are related. If I have a positive correlation, the values of both variables increase or decrease together. For example, the longer you study for your test, the better the grade you will get. So as the time you spend studying goes up, your grade goes up. Or you could say, or decrease together. You could say the less time I spend studying, the worse my grade it is. So they're going in the same direction. That would give me a positive correlation. A positive correlation, the dots may be scattered, but they tend to go in an increasing upward pattern. For a negative correlation, the values of one variable increase while the other variable decreases. For example, the distance you have traveled to school and the distance you have left to travel. The more that you've traveled to school, you're on your way to school, the more you've walked, the less you have left to walk. Or you could say the less you walked, if you just started, the longer you have to go. So they're going in opposite directions. That will give me a decreasing pattern. And if we look at it on a graph, the lines tend to go down in a decreasing fashion. An example for a no correlation would be when the data points are scattered and no pattern can be formed. An example for this is your shoe size and your math score. The bigger your shoe size is, it has nothing to do with your math score. There is no correlation, there's no relationship. And if you look at that, you could plot the points, but they're going to be scattered all over. It will not make an upward or downward pattern. So that is no correlation.